Hello and welcome to Garden Gates. Today I'm going to share some seeding ideas. There are three methods that I'm using to grow seeds. On first and second method, I'm using chili seeds. Place the seeds in one half of the paper towel. Spray it with water and then cover the other side and then sprinkle more water. Then keep them in the Ziploc bags. Do not need to lock the bag. Then wrap it up in a wet towel and keep them in the warm place for 5 to 6 days. Make sure the seeds are wet enough. On 6th day, you will be able to see the seeds germinated. Then you can plant them in the small pots. In second method, soak the seeds in the water for 6 to 8 hours. Fill in the eggshells with potting soil. Place 3 to 4 seeds in each shell. Cover with soil and sprinkle with water. Keep them in the warm place. Make sure to sprinkle with water and keep them moist. In 2 weeks' time, you will be able to see the plant growing. When the plant is ready to replant, you can crush the eggshell and replant them in small pots. The third method, you can soak the seeds for 24 to 36 hours, then directly plant them in the containers and keep them in the warm place. Growing time different for each type of seeds. It can be 2 weeks to 6 weeks. When the leaves shoots out from the ground, provide enough sunlight. Good luck and have a healthy growing.